What are the different PSU form factors for PC builds? Imagine building a gaming PC and wondering if your power supply unit will fit perfectly. The size and shape of your power supply are just as important as its wattage. There are several form factors, each designed for different types of cases and power needs. The most common one is the ATX, which stands for Advanced Technology Extended. These power supplies are about 150 millimeters wide, 86 millimeters high, and between 140 and 180 millimeters deep. They fit most mid-tower and full-tower cases and support high wattage levels needed for powerful gaming setups. They also have standard connectors for motherboards, graphics cards, and peripherals, making them very versatile. Then there is the SFX, or Small Form Factor Extended. These are much smaller, around 1 to 5 millimeters wide, 63.5 millimeters high, and 100 millimeters deep. They are perfect for tiny cases like mini ITX or micro ATX builds where space is tight. Despite their small size, many SFX power supplies can still deliver enough wattage for high-performance gaming systems, though usually less than what ATX units provide. Sometimes, SFX power supplies are used with adapter brackets to fit into larger cases designed for ATX units. The SFXL is a slightly longer version of the SFX. It is about 130 millimeters deep, giving it room for higher wattage and better cooling while still fitting into small cases. This makes it a good choice for compact gaming PCs that need more power without moving to a full-sized power supply. The TFX, or Thin Form Factor Extended, is long and narrow, measuring around 85 millimeters wide, 64 millimeters high, and 175 millimeters deep. It is mainly used in slim or low-profile computers, not typical gaming desktops. Because of its size and power limitations, TFX power supplies are less common in gaming builds. Lastly, there is the EPS, or Entry-Level Power Supply, which was originally made for servers and high-end workstations. EPS-12V power supplies have extra connectors for CPUs, especially in systems with dual processors or very high power demands. While not often used in standard gaming computers, they can be found in enthusiast or workstation-grade gaming rigs that requiring very high power delivery. When choosing a power supply for your gaming build, consider your case size and how much power your components need. Most gaming desktops go with ATX because they support high wattages and fit most cases. Small form factor builds like mini ITX often use SFX or SFXL units to save space but still provide enough power. Keep in mind that larger power supplies usually have bigger fans, which can run quieter, while smaller units might run hotter and louder but can still be quiet if you pick a good quality model. Also, check that the power supply has all the connectors you need for your graphics card and CPU. Picking the right form factor ensures your build is compatible, safe, and ready to deliver the power your gaming components requiring.